Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an additional account to your Windows 10 PC. Now let's say you have a family or friend and you want to give the access to your family or friend on your Windows 10 operating system. How you can create his account on your Windows 10 operating system, let's see. So first of all, you just need to click on this Windows icon and then click on settings. And once the settings window opens, you just need to click on accounts. And once this account section opens, you just need to click on this section which says family and other users. And once this is open, you will see two sections here. One is your family, and it will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account, which we don't want. So we will click on this option which says add someone else to this PC. So just click on this option, and this is going to take few seconds and it's going to show you this window which says how will this person sign in. So for this, because we don't want to use any Microsoft account for this PC, I'm going to click on this option which says I don't have this person's sign in information. And once you click on this button, it will once again take few seconds and give you this kind of window which says let's create your account. Once again, you don't need to provide any Microsoft password or account. If you wish, you can provide, but for now I don't want to provide any Microsoft password. So I'm going to click on this option which says add a user without Microsoft account. Okay. So at the very bottom, you will be able to see this link which says add a user without a Microsoft account. And once you click on this, you will be able to see this kind of window. And this is what exactly I want. So here you can add some other user, for example, user 2. I'm going to create a user 2 here. And then you can provide the user 2 password, for example, some password here, which you can give to your family or relative or any friend. And here you can give the password hint, for example, user, or any other hint which you want. Okay. And once you are finished with the username and password and the hint, you can just click next, and directly you will be able to see this user account which is created here. So user 2, which is a local account. And then to test, you can just once again click on this Windows icon, and then you can click on your username, your current username by which you are logged into your PC. So just click on this username, and then you can just say sign out and then sign in with the user 2 account. So you can see here user 2 account is visible here. So you can either sign out and then sign in with your user 2 account, or you can just click on user 2 from here, which is going to sign out, and then you will see the user 2 account here. You just need to provide the user 2 account password and then press enter, and then you will be logged in with your user 2 account. And once the user 2 logs in with his account, you will be able to see this kind of initial setting of the user which Windows 10 will show. So you just need to wait for some time, and after some times you will see that you are logged in with your user 2 account. So now I am logged in with my user 2 account. Once I click on this Windows icon, I can see this user is changed to user 2. I can see this user is changed to user 2, right? So this is how you can create a new user account on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.